Hello, welcome back to my channel again. InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel. Only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day.
Hello and assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. So first of all guys, if you not subscribe my channel, just go to your subscriber and click the bell button for more notification. And you can also check out my recent videos that I uploaded about some withdrawal, about some new sites. Check out some new stuff on my channel, and hope you're wondering why I'm making video after a very long time. Actually there is some personal reason about my home, so that's why I gonna make more videos. So I don't want to further ado, so let's go to the topic. So today guys, we will talk about freedocoin. This is a Dogecoin site. Uh, so today guys, I will give you the latest news that uh, freedocoin is going to shut down. So, and I will also give you the payment proof of this site. Okay, so first of all I want to know you that I had 463 dollars and make withdrawal last few days. So I was waiting there in showing in pending. So I just got my withdrawal in my Bitconnect wallet. As you can see, this is a Bitconnect wallet. So okay, let's start now. So first of all we will I will read this update. So this update is as of today, and the free Dogecoin give away on Freedocoin is shutting down. We always view this giveaway as a mean of giving back to the community. However, we are compelled to discontinue the service due to the large-scale account abuse on the part of the same errant user. We know it's unfair to the rest of who have been amazing member of this community. But unfortunately, we have to take this step. We do not have the resource to fight back against the abuse, since most of our time is spent on managing free Bitcoin. So they're saying they're managing free Bitcoin. So also we will eventually shut down the multiply Doge section as well. Nevertheless, for now, pay and deposit plays wanna be affected and will keep running as usual. Thank you for participating and making the free Dogecoin giveaway the success that it was, and we hope we can keep making this remarkable community bigger and better. Okay, so please, the Bitcoin forces on our sister side. Free Bitcoin is the sister side, so you can join them. I will put that link in my video description also. So it is still going strong, and we are giving away up to $200 in free BTC every hour. We'll be adding an option which would allow you to link your free Doge.co.in to your free Bitcoin account and redirecting referral traffic accordingly. You can head over the free Bitcoin to sign up and enjoy these benefits. Okay, so this is the latest update about that free Doge.coin is going to shut down. You cannot make more Dogecoin from this site, but you can also check out this sister site, that is free Bitcoin.in. Okay, so I will put that link. Okay, So make sure just to subscribe and join my link. Okay, so I want to show you my Bittrex account that I had a withdraw for 63 Dodge and make a withdrawal last few days. Okay, so just fill the captcha and log in. Okay, so I have put the authenticator app. This is the code. This is the best authenticator app you can use also. So just log in and just click on wallet. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have 877 Dogecoin. So I want to show you my deposit history. Okay, so here you can see is 2019 and it's in August 30. Okay, I just make a withdraw on 30 date. So is the transaction you can see is the batch number. Okay, so here's the date and 463 Dogecoin I just got received. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy the video. Please make sure subscribe my channel and comment in the comment section. Just give me feedback guys. Just tell me what you want, what kind of video you like. So please also like my videos and thank you so much. Have a good day and good morning. Bye bye.